want to say thank you so much for your support, and we need you guys. You know, not all games go the way that we want them to go, but it's not over, and we're going to give everything that we can to continue to make Jamaica proud. So just keep supporting us, and we love you.
Just continue believing. The dream is still open. Never give up on us.
Well, thank you, Jamaican fans, for coming out. We appreciate the support, and we're looking forward to see you guys in Toronto.
Thank you for the support over the summer. We obviously really appreciated it. We could feel it from all the way in Australia, so we hope we can feel you in Toronto next week.
Keep supporting us. Big things are coming. We're not done yet.